core system library is failing because of the netapi32.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for netapi32, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the netapi32, a critical system library that provides the legacy net functions for managing user accounts, domains, and shared folders via the command line. It handles the NetJoinDomain and NetUserEnum APIs. Corruption in this file is a high-risk failure that can cause the Workstation service to crash, cutting the PC off from all network communication. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of netapi32.dll. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the netapi32 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. A critical reminder, modifying netapi32 DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overwriting essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the netapi32 environment. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing netapi32 from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.